Hey, Zikri okay did. I'm in Dollar Tree right now looking for some stuff, to be honest. And this is what I found. I'm not gonna buy this crap because I don't have a microwave anyway, and I don't like microwaves. But I'm thinking of getting one because I get home so late. I don't want to cook a full meal on the stove. So microwave is for lazy people. So, um, I mean, like I hate when I say I hate to cook. I feel like I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna start being lazy. That's how I feel. But I had a microwave at the shelter and I try not to use it as much. So I don't know. Well, I have like 54 minutes. I could be doing this, but this is like chocolate lovers cake. And you see the microwave sign is right there. Like, they're endorsing you to do microwave food. That's how you get cancer and what's not. But at this point, you get cancer for anything. They have American flags out, guys. You have all this stuff for, what do you call it? June 4th, July 4th. Ooh, about to get me some slippers because I know I'm going to need it. Let's go find your girl's size. I feel like I doubt they have my size here. Oh, they have my size. They have my size. I'm gonna get a couple. I feel like it's gonna break down. These are mostly for the beach and like, not really the beach, but you know, I wear these stuff around my apartment too, so it works out for the best. When I go to that place, the pool, I need flip-flop and flip-flippies, so these are definitely it. Can you even see that? Yes. Yes, guys, so if you want to get some, Old Navy ones are more stronger, but, yeah, they're not. The funny thing, Old Navy ones are not even comfortable. I haven't bought those in years. I used to buy them when I had the Old Navy card, but they're really not that comfortable. I know Katani would like these little hats. Look at that. Look at those things. So we're still in, how to say Old Navy? I'm done with myself. I get fake flowers. I hate flowers and I hate fake flowers. I hate fake flowers more than I hate real flowers, which is kind of weird. I don't know why I did that. I'm so upset. My finger touched it. I don't know. Katani would love this Mr. Noodle. This is what she did when the swimming pool with the noodles. Okay. Can I walk right here? Let's walk right here. Ooh. Yes, guys, the cards over there. I don't need cards. But I need the flip-floppy. What if they have a glasses case for contacts and glasses? That's what I really need. And my doctor wasn't able to give me any. I'm like, how y'all have both things, but yet they don't have both things to hold the things in? If that makes any sense. Oh, so annoying. More cards. Oh, my bad. I wonder if people really buy cards that much yet. I feel like they don't. People don't, I don't think about dogs when they think about cards. It's the same crap like, oh yeah, the store. Just damn full cards. This is one of the smaller Dollar Trees I know. I buy Katania puzzles here, especially because she don't take care of them. They're $1. I don't feel that bad that it's dead. See, I'm holding it all shady, my lady. I want to buy her graduation stuff from here. Maybe I should buy it now while she's not with me. I need to call a dentist too. I need to call the dentist to reschedule. What's in here? Oh, shovels and stuff. Ugh. Maybe I should get it from here now. I don't know. I need to get tissue. I need to get chips from the movies tomorrow too. But I don't know if I want to buy some. I feel like I want to eat it. I have no self-control. Your girl has no self-control nowadays, especially with, I was like, no. The funny thing, I should probably get some tea. I don't feel good. Like my stomach is kind of, Probably should go drink some tea. It's so hot. I have on sweatpants in this weather, and I'm like, I'm dying. Sorry. Thank you. Oh. They put all these name. Well, this is my name brand. But that's name brand. Sorry.
I better look up as you.
I know I'm going so fast, guys, but ooh, they got more name brand stuff. Welch's fruit snacks. Where's my favorite chips from this place? Oh God, I don't feel good at all. I feel like I'm about to pass out. Hold on, who's calling me? Hold on. Sorry about that, I got a phone call. I'm about to buy some stuff from tonight. And just have it for the movie tomorrow. Call it a day. Look at this. Sour. I'm not buying no candy at no movie theater. Extreme sour. Probably gonna not brush that one. Katanya likes sour stuff too, so it works out. I'm trying to find some chips that I want to bring tomorrow. I might do slushies when I get there. To be honest, it's Gatorade. Why not do a Gatorade? Haterade. I should put in the freezer from tonight, from right now. Look at this. This area looks crazy. I don't know how this is gonna taste, this white one. I'm just gonna get 2 of these for me and Tater. Gatorade. And what else do I need? Ooh, I love these. I'll just eat that now. I don't like those. I don't like those. I want some ice cream, but I'm not gonna do those. I hate when things are one by itself. There's a whole pack right here. I'm gonna take those. And yeah. I can't even see what y'all are seeing. Now I can. I hate Three Musketeers. I think they look trash. Kettle. They should have the good kettle chips. Why you guys have tomfoolery? This movie is a 2-hour movie, so you know. Gotta make sure I got all the snacks. I'll get my book bag from tonight. I know Katania likes Reese's, so I'm gonna have some Reese's cups. Reese's cups. I get her too. Well, she's not gonna be the only one eating. There's another boy going. My friend is going, so if I was ghetto, I would bring the popcorn in my house. This is bubblegum. What? I don't know how to feel about that. All this other stuff. Okay. I'm ready. Just ready to rumble. I feel like all the Dollar Trees have more stuff than this one. The one in Queens has much more glow. I'm gonna waste money on it. Look at that. I don't know what the hell that is. Yes, guys. Later.